Demonstration purposes today, we are going to assume that we are using a table that holds menu with 4 courses. So in our first course, we are going to have soup. For our second course, we are going to have fish. And then for our third course, we are going to have beef lasagna. And then we are going to have dessert as our 4th course. So as we are going to be collecting, we are going to be collecting for those 4 courses. Right. So we are also going to be working on assumption that we are going to have 4 customers or 4 guests. All right. So in terms of food and beverage, we call it covers when we are setting the table. So we are going to be setting a table for 4 covers. So what I'm going to do now is to collect everything that is required for me to set a table for 4 covers. So in my collection, I am going to have 4 things. Firstly, I'm going to have linen, I'm going to have crockery, I'm going to have cutlery, and glassware. So in terms of linen, I need to have a tablecloth, an overlay. Because I've got 4 covers, I need to have 4 serviettes. So 1 serviette per customer. And then in terms of my crockery, I need to collect side plates. So with side plates, I am going to need 4 side plates since I have 4 covers. Over and above the side plates, in terms of crockery, I am also going to need the centerpiece, the table number, as well as the cruet set, which is salt and pepper. So it is part and parcel of the crockery. And then I am going to move on to my cutlery. So in my cutlery, I am going to need all 8 pieces of cutlery. But in my collection now, I need to remember that I have 4 covers. So it means that 8 times 4, I am going to have 16 pieces of cutlery all together. So 4 of each. And then lastly, I've got my glassware, which is going to be the red wine glass and white wine glass. So I am going to collect 1 per customer. So it means I am going to have 8 glasses altogether, 4 red, 4 white.